Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this maths problem by using Bode-Marx rule. Bode-Marx rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for how we convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponent. D stands for division. M stand for multiplication. A stand for addition. S stand for subtraction. Now according to this Bode-Marx sequence, we'll break it down this expression by this step-by-step solution. First step, we solve the innermost parentheses. Now according to this expression, we have a small brackets 8 plus 8 and according we'll get 16. According to this step, Bode-Marx prioritize innermost brackets first, and now the current expression becomes square bracket curly bracket 256 divided by 16 curly braces of multiplied by 9 square bracket of minus root 324 and plus 2 power 5. Move to the next step. According to next step, solve the curly braces. Now in the curly braces there is a division. Solve the division, calculate it, and after we'll get 16. According to this step, move outward to the next level of brackets, which is curly brackets, and now the current expression becomes square bracket 16 multiplied by 9 square bracket of minus root 324 plus 2 power 5. Move to the next step. According to next step, solve the square brackets. Now in the square brackets there is a multiplication. Now just multiply the digits, and after we'll get 144. According to this step, clear the final bracket group completely, square bracket, which is the large bracket, and now the current expressions become 144 minus root 324 plus 2 power 5. Move to the next step. Evaluate the order, roots and exponent. Now there is a root and exponents. Now find the value of 324 and we'll get 18, and 2 power 5, it will become 32. And according to this step, orders follow the right after brackets. Now you can see B and then O, roots and exponents. And now the current expressions become 144 minus 18 plus 32. Now move to the next step. Perform the subtraction and addition. Now there is two operations are left in the expression. Now perform subtract. Now first we subtract the values. 144 minus 18, and after we'll get 126, and after we'll add the values 126 plus 32 and we'll get 158. We execute it from left to right. So now 158 is the final result. Now according to this expression, the conclusion says by breaking down the expression from the inside out using the Bode-Marx sequence, we systematically eliminate the parentheses, resolve the roots and parts, and then finish with the left to right arithmetic. This structure part ensures a single mathematically sound conclusion is 158, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.